Hi everyone, this is Seema Jalgar, your social science teacher, and welcome back to my channel. Today we'll be learning about the atmosphere in detail. But to understand it with better clarity, let us just take a section of the atmosphere. So now we'll be learning about the different layers of the atmosphere. The atmosphere is made up of 5 different layers: the troposphere, the stratosphere, the mesosphere, the thermosphere, and the exosphere. The first layer from the ground is the troposphere. Tropo means change. So all the different kinds of weather phenomena takes place in the troposphere. The formation of clouds, precipitation, snowfall, storms, cyclones, etc. happen in the troposphere. Also, the aircrafts and air balloons move around in this layer only. The troposphere is the layer of the atmosphere where there is a steady lapse rate, which means that if we move 165 meters higher, there is a drop of 1 degree centigrade. This is called inverse proportion. The higher the altitude, the lower the temperatures. The place where the stratosphere starts and the troposphere ends is called the tropopause. So this is the place where the two layers are separated. The stratosphere is the layer which also comprises of the ozone layer. Here, the temperature almost remains constant. Strata means layers. The place where the stratosphere ends and the mesosphere begins is called the stratopause. Meso means middle. Because the mesosphere lies between the exosphere, thermosphere, troposphere and the stratosphere, it is called as the mesosphere because it lies in the center of all the different layers. The mesosphere is the layer where the temperature decreases with altitude. Next comes the thermosphere. The thermosphere is the layer where there is an increase in temperature as we go higher. So this is called direct proportion. The temperature increases with the increase in altitude. So the higher we go, the temperature is also higher. This layer is also known as the ionosphere. It is called the ionosphere because of the presence of ions. These electrically charged particles help in wireless communication. The last layer is called the exosphere. Exo means outer. So this is the outermost layer of the atmosphere. The exosphere is extremely thin in density. It comprises of very light gases like hydrogen and helium. But it is the most extensive layer of the atmosphere as it extends to around 1600 kilometers from the Earth. There is no exact boundary between the exosphere and the beginning of space. So this is all about the 5 major layers of the atmosphere. Thank you so much for watching.